Students, today we will continue the chapter subject verb concurred in English grammar. I have started this and further I will continue. Students, I have told you that verb concurred means verb agreement, and what is verb agreement or verb concurred? I have already told you how a verb its person and number is known as verb concurred or verb agreement. I have told you that a subject may be in three persons if it is personal pronoun. One like I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, they. These persons are number, singular number or plural number. How a verb agrees with its subject according to person or number is known as verb concurred or verb agreement. I have told you two rules, that if two nouns are joined by and, then plural verb is used. Second rule also I have told you, if two nouns are joined by and we use similar verb, we use plural verb. I have already told you. One more example I have told you, that you have to see. Rule I don't remember now. Now see the third rule. Third rule is what? Rule number third says that either and neither, these two words, either and neither, these two words take singular word. Students, if either this word or neither word is used in sentence, always singular number noun is used. Like example you can take either of the two buses, either of the two buses goes to one of the sentence. You see either word has come, though there are two buses, but here both has because this singular verb has been used because of the use of either. Another example you can take either of the two boys, wants to stand first in the class. Next example, either of the two boys wants to stand first in the class. Here wants singular verb, one has not been used. So it indicates that singular verb has been used because of the use of either. Let's see the other rule. Fourth rule. Fourth rule, rule 4, each and everyone takes with singular verb. Each and everyone takes singular verb. How? Each boy has asked. Each boy has asked. See, each boy has asked. Now, one example of every. This example such as everyone wants to become happy. If you don't see the sentence, you see everyone wants to become happy. In this sentence, you see that singular verb wants have been used. Reason here everyone verb has come. Yes. Students, in this we have seen that if each or everyone or either word comes, either and neither word comes, then first and then singular verb is used. Neither example you can say that neither of the two boys is able to pass the examination, like that. Now you will see the next rule. See the next rule. Next rule says that, see what is the next rule? Right? Next rule is right. Two subjects. If two subjects are joined by with, if two subjects are joined by with or as well as the verb agree. The verb agrees with the first subject. If two subjects are joined by adding with, if two subjects are joined by using with, do you know? If two subjects are joined by with or as well as it, then the verb agrees with the first subject. Suppose two subjects are written and they are joined by with or as well. Example you can take. The captain with the soldiers has come. Sentence you see, the captain, it is singular number, one subject. His soldiers, plural subject. Both are joined with to which verb has been followed? The verb has been followed according to first subject. The verb agrees with the first subject. First subject captain is singular, so has been used. So it has come. Do you know? Another example you can take. The principal as well as the teachers the teachers is on leave. Is on leave. Here the principal singular subject it has been joined by using as well as with other subject the teachers. It is plural. So the verb is singular and followed according to the first subject principal, otherwise are to be here. So see the students other rule. See the other rule. What is other rule? Rule number 6 write down. Rule number 6. See rule number 6. Rule number 6 says either are and neither nor. If these two conjunctions are used, so then singular verb is followed. See. Either he or his brother, either he or his brother has gone to school. Has gone to school. Either he or his brother has gone to school. Here either or this conjunction has been used. Here his brother is singular or he is singular. These two subjects are singular. Here singular verb has been used here. But in students, one thing also you have to keep in your mind that if these two subjects that are singular, if one subject is plural, so then plural verb is used, and this plural verb is put near the plural subject. Near the plural subject means what? First singular subject will come, a second plural subject will come, and the verb will be plural. Example you can take. He and his friends. Either he or his friends, here plural is there, have gone to see, either he is singular number subject, or his friends is plural number subject, his friends is plural number subject, have plural verb has been used, has not have been used. Reason, in these two subjects one subject is plural, and after this plural subject plural verb is used. This is the rule. If two subjects are joined by either, so then singular verb is followed. If one subject is plural, so then plural verb is followed. Now students see example of neither. Example of neither. Neither nor. Neither nor is singular verb, but condition is if both the subject are singular, then if both subjects are singular. Example can take neither Mohan nor Sohan. Neither Mohan nor Sohan. Neither Mohan nor Sohan. Sohan has here has singular verb has been used because these two subjects Mohan, neither Mohan nor Sohan, nor word has been used. Here two subjects Mohan and Sohan are there, and here the neither and nor, neither nor this conjunction has been used. Since two subjects are singular, so singular verb has been followed. If plural will be one plural will be same rule will be followed, that you have allied with either. Now students see the other. What is other? What is other rule? Is rule number 7. Rule number 7, collective noun students. Collective noun. It takes singular word. Collective noun takes singular word. Collective singular word. Example you can see. The committee. The example right. First example. The committee has given its report. The committee has given its report. Committee is collective noun. Singular verb has been used. More example can take. The jury has given right decision. The jury has given right decision. Jury is collective noun, so has singular verb has been used. It is collective noun. The students, if there is collective noun, there is singular verb is. Next rule. Rule number 8. Well, next rule. Rule number 7, 7 or 8. When plural noun refers definite. Plural definite quantity or amount. Quantity or amount. Then what happens? Singular word is followed. Singular word is followed. One example here. Take one example. Plural noun refers to the same. Example: 10 rupees. It is plural, but it refers to certain amount. 10 is a small amount. This rule says that when plural number noun refers to definite amount, the singular verb is followed. Just like he has been followed, are has not been written. Another rule, rule 9. Rule 9, right? If plural noun refers to country, refers to country, plural verb is singular verb is plural नहीं, singular verb is followed. If plural noun refers to a country, singular verb is followed. Like United States, example, United States is a rich country. Here is has meaning because this plural noun United States refers to a country. So, students, some other rule याद करें. Some rule number 10. Some words like news, mathematics, physics, etc. Politics, take singular verb. They take singular verb. How? Example, mathematics is a tough subject. Mathematics is a tough subject. In the same way, news is, mathematics is, physics is, politics is. Always singular verb is followed. Students, the name of, here I have told you rule number 9, the plural noun that refers to the country. If they refer to the books also, so then plural verb is, singular verb is used. Like Arabian Nights, name of the book. Arabian Nights contains interesting stories. So plural noun is they refer to country or the name of book, then singular verb is used. Now students, in this way I have told you the rules of verb, concurrence, agreement, and you have to write these rules in your fair copy. Further I will teach you. It is completed, students, and you should write in your fair copy. Thank you.